just want to give an update on my dipper cylinder that been on me the last go around a couple months ago. I got it replaced, as you can see, and come to find out there's a campaign from Massey Ferguson to replace these, because I guess they're having other failures. Other people have failures with them. So, but I noticed when I got it, it's definitely larger than what was on there. So look at that, 1.26 inches. And this right here was the same size it was on it, as you can see. It's like 1.1. So they definitely beefed it up a little bit as well, which I was glad. But anyways, that's the update on that. I have got me some lights I'm going to try to put on it. Got this and 4 little 4-inch ones. I think I'm going to stick a big one up there, 2 on the back, and 2 up here on the front. So I get all that put on, I'll see if I can make another video. I do have this electric grappler that I bought when I bought with it, and I ended up running a harness for it. It mounts pretty good right there. I ended up bending that bar, not real sure how, but I was able to just kind of run the harness right through the main frame here of the loader with the hydraulic lines, and you can just kind of zip tie stuff out the way, go underneath it, come up right here, and mount it right here. The other part's going to the battery, so it's pretty easy. But anyways, I'll get these other lights on it. I'll make another video to show what that looks like, tell you how well they work, because working at night with these lights is next to impossible. So, yeah, I'll let you know.